How to add two-page view in Adobe Acrobat. First, open your browser and go to acrobat.adobe.com. Log in and upload your PDF using any tool like add comments or fill and sign. Once the PDF is open, let's get it into two-page view. Look at the right-hand toolbar. You will see couple of icons. Just below the rotate button, you will see a page view icon. Click it. When you click the page view icon, a menu will pop up. Choose two-page view. Now, your PDF will display two pages side by side, just like an open book. Perfect for comparing content or reading more naturally. Bonus tip: you can combine this with zoom out to get a full overview or zoom in for details. Works great with large documents. And that's how you enable two-page view in Adobe Acrobat Web. Super clean and easy. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.